Okay. James Braithwaite here again, in a left-hand drive VW Westfalia. I've just been helping MOT this one. I have driven one of these before, but that's one where the gearbox was the wrong way around. A Mercedes version of this. It's probably a 1.6 diesel. I've not checked it myself. Although quite why it's got the MOT does, I'm not sure, because it's nearly 40 years old. I thought they'd be tax and MOT exempt by now, but there you go. What I have noticed is the clutch and the brake pedal so far apart that unless you've got really big feet, it's a bit of a chocolate fibre getting anywhere. And you can't see the steam of red truck in front of me, but the brakes really are a bit tragic. Not having power steering is a real headache. So you're parking up after you've MOT'd the damn thing. No, it must be said, it's interesting. I wonder how many brake horsepower this has. Well, this is not more than 60. I can see why some people call these their pride and joy, but